Hey there! Ever find yourself wondering why your Roborock S7 MaxV robot vacuum suddenly decides it doesn't want to mop anymore? Like, it just won't drop any water and leaves you with a floor that's just as dry as a desert? No worries, we've got you covered. Let's find out how our best solution worked for our customer to solve their robot vacuum problems. So, a customer came to us with a Roborock S7 MaxV robot vacuum that had a major mopping dilemma. When they tried to use it, the water just wouldn't come out. They asked us to take a look. We fired up the robot vacuum, watched it dance around without getting stuck, but when it came to mopping, where's the water? Nothing. Not a drop. After some further investigation, we found the culprit, the Roborock mopping module. It's like the heart of the mopping function, and when it doesn't pump water, well, you get the idea. No mopping, just skating. No wonder the floors were staying dry. After figuring out that the Roborock mopping module was the troublemaker, we knew what needed to be done. We recommended a Roborock mopping module replacement to the customer. And since the robot is quite old, we also suggested a deep cleaning service to restore its performance to like new condition. After getting the green light from the customer, we went ahead with the replacement and deep cleaning service. To ensure the robot vacuum operates smoothly, we do unit testing before returning it to the customer. And tada! The Roborock S7 MaxV robot vacuum was back to its old self, mopping like a pro and leaving the floors sparkling clean. No more dry runs. When we returned the robot vacuum to the customer, they were thrilled to see it work optimally again. So, what's up with your robot vacuum? Give us a shout today and let's get it back in tip-top shape.